चल हट टुल्लू।
तो बैठ जाओ।
कहाँ बैठो?
हाँ
खड़ी रहती है।
Go back.
You like it? Oh, I don't like it, but I did. Anybody else like it?
कुंड आ रही थी।
गुरुदेव की जय हो। मैं जरा मदिया छोड़ दी।
चार है गोपीनाथ की जय जय श्री राम।
Who's got the
माइक कहाँ गया?
Point it away first.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राम। अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। हरि बोल कृष्णासन भूकम तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। जयतां सुरतुर्भंगोर्मम मंदमतेर्गत मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुजो श्रीराधा मदन मोहन
दिव्योदविन्दार्ण कल्पद्रुमाद श्रीमद रत्नाकर सिंहासनस्तु श्री राधा श्रीरगविंद देवो पृष्ठाल विसेव्यमान स्मरामि श्रीमान रासरसारंभी वंशी वटतटस्थित करसन वेणु सनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रीधोन श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आप वीडियो ने ऐसे राधा कुंड के चारों तरफ के भक्त ले everybody sit in this way, not your feet on the Radha Kunda, because the Radha Kunda is not even from Srimati Radhika. You understand? You can stay upstairs and Chinese devotee can translate. Sit this way, otherwise the owner of the people, they will come and chastisement to you. You understand?
I can put here. Okay.
Hold your legs. This is the best. Otherwise, the owner of this place,
No,
they
it's
will be
okay.
chastised. Okay. So, by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we are performing Sri Kshetra Mandal. We are doing parikrama of Sri Kshetra Mandal. Kshetra Mandal parikrama हम लोग कर रहे हैं. Now we have come this place, very nice, important place also. This is called Tota Gopinath. Tota means is what? Who knows the meaning of Tota?
Garden.
Bolo.
Sitting down.
No, garden.
Tota means the garden. According to Odia language, that is Tota. But I will Tota, but maybe English will be Totas. Because I told Balu, they are English are saying they are Balu. Are Balu means bear. Are Balu means sand. Nice translator. No. You have to properly listen and properly
Pronounce.
translate.
Oh.
And I am saying Balu, or if you listen Balu, meaning coming different. So Tota means the garden. Gopinath, that is called the
Garden of
Gopinath. Gopinath के बगीचा कहता है. Very nice, beautiful place. During the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's own eternal associate Gadadhar Pandit, that means Srimati Radhika. You know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he descended with all his parikar from Golok Vrindavan in this material world. चैतन्य महाप्रभु अपने सारे परिकोरों के साथ, धामों के साथ इस जगत में प्रकट हुए. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु जीवे दया करी सपार्षद सिय धाम सह अवतरी. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mercifully, he manifested in this material world with his own dham and his own associates, parikar. So Gadadhar Pandit and Srimati Radhika, Sarup Damodar, Lalita Sakhi, and Visakha Devi, that is called Raya Ramananda, Rupa Goswami, that is called Rupa Manjari, Raghunath Das Goswami, that is called Roti Manjari, and Sanatana Goswami Pad, that is called Lavang Manjari, Jib Goswami Pad, that is called Vilas Manjari. So just I also explained, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Sapar Swadasya Dham Saha Avatari. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in this material world How many years? 48 years. Not 45. 48 years. But in his life also, in 24 years, he performed his household life, Grahastha Jivan. And last 24 years, he also performed his renounce order, Leela. That is called Sannyas Leela. Okay? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he taught to us how an ideal grihastha to perform bhajan and sadhan. In his life he also showed to us. And then he took sannyas, then he showed to us how an ideal sannyasi do bhajan and sadhan to Krishna. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us, you are householder or you are sannyasi. That is not that depend on bhakti. Bhakti depend on how to proper way to bhajan and sadhan. Kiva vipra kiva nasi sudra kene noy. Shri Krishna Tattva Veta say Guru hai. Guru means is what? One day I told, what is the meaning of Guru? Guru means who is presented his bhajan and sadhan in front of his followers. Guru is, that is called embodiment of the servicial mood of divine Radha and Krishna. गुरु के तत्व होता है जो अपने जीवन की आदर्श अपने अनुगत जनों के निकट प्रकाश करते हैं, सेवा वृत्ति. Always I am saying, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told, bhakti means is what? Bhajyate sebbate iti bhakti. Bhakti means seva vritti. Servicial mode. You have served here and you will serve in Golok Vrindavan. Same thing, just manifest your mood, bhav seva. Here you are servicing physically service, and according your senses you are servicing, that is called physical service. Are in transcendental, and then you serve to Golok Vrindavan. How will you serve? With your transcendental mood, that is called bhava seva. Understand? One is called Saririk seva and another is called bhava seva. Sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrahi. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad has written in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the sadhak, he has two forms. In sadhaka rupena, in his form of sadhak, he serves sadhaka rupena. Siddha rupena, according to his transcendental cosmic form, he serves his Ishtadev, Divine Radha and Krishna. Such as Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, all were 6 Goswamis. In those they are called eternal associates of Krishna or Srimati Radhika. But they are acting the role of an ordinary sadhak. Sankha Purvakanam Ganan TV Kalavasano Krito Nidrahara Vihargada Vijito Chatan Dino Chayo Radha Krishna Gunasmite Mudhurima Anande no Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. Sargoswami Ashtak Srinivas Acharya, he also composed this Ashtakam. Sargoswami Ashtakam. Our Goswamis in their physically sadhaka rupena, they chanted holy name, Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nativi Kala Avasana Krito. In this way they perform their bhajan, a sadhan, and chanting holy names, paying their obeisance, dandavat pranam, remembering Krishna's all the holy places, and glorified to divine couple Radha and Krishna. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande, Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande, Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Manmana Samadhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande. Krishna Deva Bhavande, Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Manmana Samadhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande. Goswamis, 6 Goswamis, how did they bhajan and sadhana? Oh Krishna, hey Deva, I am offering a prayer to you. Kindly place the bee of my mind within the honey of your lotus feet. I am saying because our Goswami in their sadhaka form, in the form of sadhaka, chanting holy names and remembering past times. And Siddha Sarupena, Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Sarupena, according to his transcendental constant form, Siddha Sarup, remember, direct service to divine Radha and Krishna. And Manindra Vinda Bandite Tilaka Harini, Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje, Nikunjabu Vilasini, Brajendra Bhanu Nandini, Brajendra Sunu Sangate, Kadakari Sasyamang Kripakadacha Bhajanam, Anantakoti Vishnu Loka Namra Padma Jarjite, Himadrija Pulu Maja, Virin Chaja, Varaprad, Apara Riddhi Riddhi Digdi Satpadanguli Nake, Kadakari Sasyamang Kripakadacha Bhajanam, Madan Madadi Jauvani, Pramodamana Mandite, Priyanuraga Ranjite, Kalabilasa Pandite, Anannadanna Kunjarajya Kamakeli Kovide, Kadakari Srimati Radha Rani ki. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he brought all his associates. And especially Gadadhar Pandit, so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Then he came in Jagannath Puri. So Gadadhar, he also came with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised to Mother Sachi Devi, because Sachi Devi, she felt pang of separation from Nimai. So Sachi Devi, she told Nimai, don't you go Vrindavan. If you go Vrindavan, I cannot get your any message. That time no mobile, not anything, no text. What is called?
Text messages.
SMS, I don't know. No Skype, also nothing.
Skype.
And that time, also that time train, no aeroplane. How will go Vrindavan? If you go Vrindavan, walk, as like tortoise. Maybe 100 birth, you will go Vrindavan. So, Chaitanya, so Mother Sachi Devi, she told, if you go Vrindavan, I cannot take your any message. तुम्हारे समाचार कैसे लेंगे? इसलिए for this regard, Sachi Mata, she requests to Gauranga Sundar Nimai, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, listen, my son, dear son, don't stay longer in Vrindavan, but you can stay Jagannath Puri. Because our scriptures explain, Sannasi hoiya kabu na jaibe nija desh. If you take sannyas, you should not go in your birthplace. This is a heavily, strictly forbidden of the sannyas. Sannyasi should not go in his own birthplace. So Sachi Mata, she is saying, you cannot stay here, Navadvip Dham, but you can stay Jagannath Puri. Because during the Ratha Yatra festival, most of the devotees are coming from Bengal to Jagannath Puri. So in this Sachi Devi, she told, maybe I can take your message from Jagannath Puri. So Matri Bhakti Shiromani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called crowns and jewels of the devotion service, his mother. Matri Bhakti Shiromani. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaura Sundar. And he told his mother, Mother Sachi Devi, and I will always stay in Jagannath Puri. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, then he also came in Jagannath Puri, then he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, maybe evening will go, and what is called? Gambhira. And also Haridas Thakur, what is called? Siddha Bakul, then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, some place you will darshan there. So everybody come, 4 o'clock. Don't delay. 4 o'clock, everybody should to come. Then we proceed to darshan other places. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Jagannath Puri, and he's saying in here, Gadadhar, very near and dearest of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Gadadhar is not even from Srimati Radhika. One is Gadadhar Pandit, another is Gadadhar Das. In Chaitanya Chaitamritam, two Gadadhar's name is there. One is called Gadadhar Pandit, another is called Gadadhar Das. Gadadhar Pandit, he is the direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. And another Gadadhar is the expansion of Srimati Radhika. Radhika's Prakash. So,
Pandit is Prakash.
Pandit is direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. Radhika's Sakshat Murtha Prakash. Gadadhar Pandit. इसके सकलों पंडित जी कहते हैं। गदाधर जो है संस्कृत में बहुत बड़ी पंडित और ब्राह्मण कुल में भी जन्म है। He was born in Brahman family, and he was very learned and scholar. For this regard, everybody called him Pandit ji. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari. So Gadadhar, different person. Another is Gadadhar Pandit and another person Gadadhar Das. This Gadadhar Pandit is the direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. He was born in Goswami Parivar also. And for this regard, that time also those who are from their childhood, they also giving diksha to everybody. Even maybe small boy, also that time also they used to give diksha. Because there is the tradition of their family, this thing. So Gadadhar Pandit, he also came in Jagannath Puri, and he also took Kshetra Sannyas. Kshetra Sannyas means only one who will stay in this place. Then he will not leave this place. Because Gadadhar Pandit is thinking, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he must carry the instruction of his mother. Because Sachimata told, you have to stay only in Jagannath Puri. So for this regard, Gadadhar Pandit, he took for sannyas, Kshetra Sannyas. Meaning only he will stay in one place, Jagannath Puri will not go. So Gadadhar, he was staying in this place. And that is called, what is the place name? Who knows? I told, this is called Tota Gopinath. Bolo Tota Gopinath ki jai. Tota means, that is called the garden. Gopinath means Gopinath, the garden of गोपीनाथ। ये गोपीनाथ के जो है बगीचा कहा जाता है। सुंदर जो है पुष्प आदि खिले रहते थे, बहुत सुंदर उपवन था यहाँ पर। ये समुद्र उपकूल निकट में ये समुद्र है। आजकल तो बिल्डिंग हो गया, नाउ देयर मेनी बिल्डिंग्स इज देयर, बट ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु दिस प्लेस कंप्लीटली व्हाट है, गार्डन एंड वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड आल्सो ओशन एज लाइक बीच एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस। फॉर दिस रिगार्ड Gadadhar Pandit ji, he was staying here and do bhajan and sadhana. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has so much love and affection with Gadadhar. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he used to come from Gambhira to Tota Gopinath and meet with Gadadhar and listen Bhagavad Katha. Gadadhar, he was very expert speaker about श्रीमद् भागवतम। गदाधर जो भागवत के बड़े जो है प्रवक्ता थे, प्रवक्ता समझते कि स्पीकर, हाँ बड़े प्रवक्ता थे। He was very expert to speak about श्रीमद् भागवतम। This is the natural also because Gadadhar Srimati Radhika and Bhagavad is what? Not even from Srimati Radhika. Understand this? So Gadadhar, he spoke about Srimad Bhagavad Katha and absorbed in ecstatic mood. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he used to come here and listen Bhagavad Katha from the lotus lips of Gadadhar Pandit. But I told when Gadadhar Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come this place, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes completely absorbed in the same mood of Gopis, Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha, now I am feeling pang of separation from Krishna. Yeah, because those Uttam Bhagavad, there are many kinds of स्टिमुलेशन कमिंग इन देयर हार्ट। उत्तम भक्त के हृदय में क्या होता है? उद्दीपन होता है। ताबर जंगम देखे ना देखे तार मूर्ति, जहा जा नेत्र पड़े इष्ट देवे स्फूर्ति। बन देखे भ्रम হয় এই বৃন্দাবন, যাহা নদী দেখো মানয়ে কালিন্দী। महाप्रेमे महाप्रेमे भासी जाए कांदी। कोई उत्तम भागवत absorbed in ecstatic mood. If he looks at his mountain, he is thinking this is Giriraj Govardhan. If he looks one small river, he is thinking this is Yamuna Devi. And if he looks any forest, he is thinking Vrindavan. So in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the same mood, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come this place, and this place was a very nice, beautiful and banyan tree. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking this is Bangsi what? And also we came, the Prabhupada Bhajan Kutir, and that place is called, what is name? Chatak Parvat. The sand, the mountain of the sand. Not Bhalu, Balu. मेरा हंसी आ जाता है, मैं बोलता है बालू, ये बोलता है भालू। रेत क्या है? रेत है ना ऊपर, रेत के ऊपर जो उसको देख कर लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु उसमें जो है विशाल जो है रेत के जो है पहाड़ था। रेत समझते हो? बालू के पहाड़ था, नॉट भालू का पहाड़, बालू का पहाड़ था, सैंड पहाड़ था, बिग माउंटेन विद द सैंड। That Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking Giriraj Govardhan. What is Giriraj? Our Goswami is very nicely Giriraj, glorify about Giriraj Govardhan. Pantay Odri Avala Haridas Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparasa Pramoda Manang Tanoti Sahagopa Gonoi Paniya Sujabasa कंदर कंदमूलई। वेणुगीत श्रीमती राधिका से अटर दिस भार्स हंताय अद्री अबला हरिदास बर्जे। श्रीमती राधिका सी टोल्ड, ओ माय गर्लफ्रेंड सखीस, लुक हाउ इज गिरिराज गोवर्धन, ही सर्व्स आवर बिलवेड कृष्ण। हंता अद्री अबला हरिदास बर्ज जत राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोद। व्हेन कृष्ण क्लाइम्ड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन ऑफ गिरिराज गोवर्धन, then Giriraj Govardhan body start to shake। जब गिरिराज गोवर्धन के ऊपर चरण रख करके कृष्ण जब चढ़ जाते थे, तो गिरिराज के हृदय कंपित होता था। Wait for this and shaking this way. And Giriraj Govardhan he gives all kinds of flowers, fruits, and also water falling there. That is called Jalapraphat, water falling in there. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika told, look how Giriraj Govardhan is servicing our beloved Govinda. How will you know he is the highest devotee? भक्तिता देने से केवल बड़े भक्त नहीं बन जाता है और महाभागवत नहीं बनता है। जो जिनकी सेवा वृत्ति जितना ही बढ़ते जाते, शारीरिक, मानसिक और कायिक सेवा, that you can serve to Lord with 3 ways. How? With your body, with your mind and with your heart. कायिक, वाचिक और मानसिक। कायिक means your body. कायिक, वाचिक with your mouth can speak हरि कथा, और third with your mind, मानसिक सेवा। So in this way, Giriraj Govardhan he serves our beloved Krishna. प्रमोद मदन लीला कंदरि कंदरते स्मंदम इति कीला कलनार्थ लग्न कस्तो दयोर में निज निकट निवासनम देहि गोवर्धन तम। निज निकट निवासनम देहि गोवर्धन तम। प्रमोद मदन गिरिराज गोवर्धन he serves our beloved Krishna. How? Giriraj Govardhan he makes very nice beautiful caves. In the cave, then Radha and Krishna they perform sweet amorous pastimes there. Very beautiful this place. So the Pramoda Madanila Kandari Kandaritam Rasimandam इति कील कलनार्थ लग्न कस्तो दयोर में निज निकट निवासनम देहि गोवर्धनोतम। बोलो गिरिराज महाराज की जय। So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to come this place, that time so much ecstatic mood manifesting. This thing. Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kotera Govardhana Parvata Jamuna Tira Radha Tata Kunja Kotera Govardhana Parvata Jamuna Tira Kusuma Sarovara Manasa Ganga Kusuma Sarovara Manasa Ganga Kalindi Nandini Vipula Taranya Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe. If you go any place, have to remember the past time. Just we are sitting on the bank of Radha Kunda. What to do? What this rope? Chinta Moni Mon Radha Kunda Tat Tahi Chin Sata Sata Chinta Moni Mon Radha Kunda Tat Tahi Chin Sata Sata Chinta Moni Mon Radha Kunda Tata Tahi Kunja Sata Sata Ar Prabhala Vidruma Mayato Rulata Mukta Phale Aganata Prabhala Vidruma Mayato Rulata Aganata. This is very nice, beautiful place. The banks of Radha Kunda are made of transcendental, desireful falling gems. Nearby there are hundreds and hundreds of beautiful kunjas. The trees are creepers which are made of coral and with an abundance of the pearl fruits. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he composed this bank. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to come this place, sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu jumped in the water of the ocean. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, this is Yamuna, and floating towards, where is going? Konarak. Konarak is going this way. Sometimes he used to go towards Chakratirtha. Maybe tomorrow we'll go, that place Chakratirtha is there. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in this way. Gadadhar Pandit is here. And Lord Chaitanya listens Srimad Bhagavad Katha. Especially Gadadhar Pandit, he spoke very nice, beautiful Katha of Gopis Ras dance. And especially when Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, then all the Gopis felt pang of separation. That is called Gopi Geet. When Gadadhar Pandit, he recited these verses of Gopi Geet, and everybody completely was intoxicated with the divine love. Jayati te odikang janmana braja srayato indira shasa atrahi doidali chadam dikshutavaka doidita savo twang vichinnate sarakadodasai sadhu jata se sarajasi jodare श्रीमुसाद्रिसा सुरतना दते शुल्क किं वद जयति ते अधिकं जन्मना ब्रज श्रयत इंदिरा शस्त्र हि दैत दीक्षतां दीक्षुता बका त्रैधिता सबं तं विचिन्नते. And this Gopi Geet you can sing many types of tune, not one tune. But best tune that is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Kanak Manjari Chanda. Kanak means that the gold. Kanak. Kanak Manjari means another. Kanak means one kind of herbs that is called Dhatura. Dhatura, understand? One kind of intoxication drugs. You know many things also. Many people that are taking ganja bhang. Ganja bhang coming from the Dhatura. I don't know. But people are saying, I have no experience. I never touch of the cigarette. What is the Dhutra Putra? I don't know. But don't take. You are devotee. Don't take any kinds of intoxication drugs. Then you will go narak. 1,000 times you will go, 1,000 lives you will go naraka. Don't take any kinds of drugs. So here is a kanak means one kind of kanak means drugs. One kind of leaves, herbs or leaves. Manjari means the very soft leaves. So our scripture explain one who takes that types of herbs of dhatura, then his head start to spinning and completely intoxicated. In the same way, if you chant this song of Gopi Geet, then your head start to spinning. These things. Intoxication will come. This is the best. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam Savana mangalam srimadattatam goviginnanti te puridajana tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam savana mangalam srimadattatam goviginnanti te puridajana. Follow. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam savana mangalam srimadattatam goviginnanti te puridajana. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalmasahapam savana mangalam srimadattatam goviginnanti te puridajana. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he realized the sweet pastimes of divine Radha and Krishna Prema Katha. Then once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar, they were walking on the beach. Then suddenly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, I want to give you one very valuable things to you. Do you want? Do you take? Who will take? No one. Gadadhar told, yes, Prabhu, what do you want to give? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just with his finger and scratching the sand. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu अपने हाथों के द्वारा बालू के जो है वो खोदने लगे. बालू के नहीं, बालू के खोदने लगे. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just he was scratching with his fingers. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested one very nice vigraha that is called Gopinath Balo Gopinath Jiv Ki Jai. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, you take this and you worship this Thakurji. That time Thakurji completely was standing position. All our Gaudiya temple, Thakurji, he is standing, not sitting. Why? Why Thakurji is standing? Because Thakurji is very eager to take darshan of his devotee. because if you sit, maybe little bit late to welcome to you. ठाकुर जी is very eager to welcome to you. ठाकुर जी गौड़ी मठ में क्यों खड़े देखते हो आप? जितने भी गौड़ी मठ में देखोगे कहीं ठाकुर जी बैठे नहीं है। और ठाकुर जी कैसे हुए? खड़े हुए। बोले क्यों? मेरे गुरुदेव कहते थे ये भक्त लोग आते हैं ना उसकी स्वागत करने के लिए। बोले बैठे लोग खड़े होने में देर हो जाएगा स्वागत के लिए। दुर्वासा कोई यदि आ गया है स्वागत में देर हो जाए, है ना? दुर्वासा कथा जानते हो ना? दुर्वासा वैकुंठ में गए और उस समय लक्ष्मी देवी और गोविंद उसके जो है चरण सेवा कर रही थी। किसको? विष्णु की सेवा कर रही थी। दरवाजा थोड़ा सा जो बंद था, दुर्वासा के इतना गुस्सा आ गया, बोले मुझे स्वागत नहीं कर रहे हो और अपने पुत्री के द्वारा अपने चरण सेवा कर रहे। जो दुर्वासा ने किया कि ऐसे लाद जमाया और दरवाजे तोड़ दिया और खुल करके अंदर गए और भगवान विष्णु के छाती पर लात जमाया, मर दे है। और भगवान विष्णु बोले दुर्वासा मेरे हृदय तो पत्थर के भांति है, तुम्हारे चरण तो है बहुत कोमल है, जरूर तुम्हारे चरण में दर्द हो रहा है, मैं तुम्हारे चरण को थोड़ा मसाज कर देता है। किंतु दुर्वासा तो लज्जित हुए कैसे भी हो। किंतु उस समय भगवान विष्णु ने कहा ये दुर्वासा तुम्हारे चरण के चिन्ह जो है मेरे वक्षस्थल में सदा के लिए रहेगा। For this regard, Lord Vishnu, Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan, and in his chest, two symptoms. Bhigu, Lanchita, Charan Chinna. Or Sivatsa Rekha. Sivatsa Rekha means one golden line of Lakshmi Devi. Because Lakshmi Devi is essence, and Lakshmi Devi also manifested in the form of one golden line in the chest of Lord Vishnu. Who is Bhagavan? This is also symptom. And understand? So for this regard, all our Gaudiya temple you can see that Thakurji, he is standing up. Why? Because he is welcome, he is devotee. Please come this way. And so in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this Vigraha, Gopinath, and Gadadhar, he worshipped this way. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar, he felt pang of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Gadadhar, and sometimes he could not to serve and offering the garland. Then Thakurji himself also what? Sitting down. Gadadhar Mahaprabhu के विरह में इतने तड़पते थे, विरह करते करते कभी जो है उनके हाथ से माला ऊपर उठा नहीं पाते थे। तो ठाकुर जी ने किया कि स्वयं बैठ गए। अभी आप देखोगे ना प्रातः काल यू कैन कम हियर 5 o'clock or 5:30 दैट ठाकुर जी ही इज सिटिंग गोपीनाथ या डिटोटा गोपीनाथ ही इज सिटिंग पोजीशन and he is sitting. Many times I used to come here also, sitting position and taking darshan, and then Gadadhar offered the garland. Bolo Gadadhar Pandit ki jai jai Sri Ram. So Gadadhar, he was staying here and worshipped this Tota Gopinath. Actually this Tota Gopinath worshipped by Gadadhar Pandit. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in there, and Gadadhar Pandit is here. Why? Maybe your question will come. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in Navadvip Dham, Gadadhar, he was always with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And that is called Jigal Sarkar, always staying together. Where is Gadadhar? There is Nimai. Where is Nimai? There is Gadadhar. For this regard, in Bengali you are saying this is called Gadai Gauranga. Gadai means Gadadhar, Gauranga means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you go Navadvip Dham, everybody known him, Gadai Gauranga. Gadadhar Pandit and Gaur Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In Chapahati we have seen also there. What have seen? Gaur Gadadhar. Where is Chaitanya Navadvip Dham? So, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, then Gadadhar also came here. But why Gadadhar did not stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira? Maybe your question will be arise. Your question arise or not?
Yes, Gurudev.
Not coming. ये गदाधर नवद्वीप में तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु गदाधर के साथ सदा सर्वदा रहते थे, जहां पर गदाधर वहीं पर निमाई, निमाई जहां पर गदाधर। तो ये पर ये इधर क्यों रहने लगे? एक साथ में दोनों रह सकते थे। गंभीरा में क्यों नहीं रहा? सर्वदा उधर रायरमंद रहते थे कभी कभी, है? उनके सेवक जो है क्या बोले, गोविंद रहते थे। His servant Govinda, always staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why not Gadadhar staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Why he was staying in here? That is very confidential. Maybe later I will speak to you. This will be confidential things. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to come here and listen Hari Katha, especially Ras Lila Katha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed, because all these Uddipan stimulation places here. And also especially this Thakurji is not this Thakurji is self-manifested Thakurji, and this Thakurji is actually manifested by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sajanandani Gaur Hari. This Mahaprabhu. This Thakurji is so much near and dear of our beloved Gurudev also. I remember 92 or 93, and that time Khetra Mandal Parikrama is going on, and that time Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Srabaman Goswami Maharaj, and all the high class exalted devotees, they came in Nilachal Gaudiya Math. 1 month. That month was dedicated to Purushottam Mas. You know Purushottam Mas? Extra Mas, that is Adhik Mas. That time Adhik Mas, that time Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj also came here. And that time Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Srila Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Bhavan Goswami, all they came and they took darshan. And that time Srila Gurudev, he told, tonight Gopinath, he told me, you give me one cloth.
Oh yes.
But Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj told, I did not bring one cloth. Then Narayan Goswami Maharaj told, I brought one cloth for Thakurji. Well, just now give. Here Thakurji, direct he speak to you. Bolo Gopinath ki jai, jai, jai. Here Gopinath very nice. You can see how this Leela Katha is there. So many Kathas you will be speak now. Our 10th and go will also another place. Where will go? Haridas Thakur, Samadhi. Then you can take rest. Then you take prasad, lunch prasad. 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Then 4 o'clock you have to come and we proceed to, where will go? Gambhira. And Haridas Thakur, Siddha Bokul, Haridas Thakur Bhajan Kutir. Then we will go Sarvabhattacharya's place, in this way today's program. And night time again I will give Hari Katha. Why did I bring to here?
Hari Katha.
Only for Hari Katha. Prasad you are every time you are eating. Eating and sleeping and defending. But Hari Katha is very, very rare. Listen Hari Katha on life. But here is no chili prasad. Nowadays you ate so much chili. But here no chili. I did not buy any chili also. Oh, Sri Gurudev ki